Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your headphones EDIFIER STAX S5. So the first one is a classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power. Then at the right ear cup we have, at the bottom we have USB-C port, so connect USB-C cable right at this port. Near to the port we have the LED light, meaning that your headphones are charging. Also, we can use a phone to charge these headphones, and all you need to have for this it's just USB-C to USB-C cable, would look like this. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone, and then the second one to the right ear cup. And again we have the LED light, meaning that it also works. Now, the third option is to use USB-A to USB-C cable, and you can charge your headphones from, let's say, your PC. So it looks like this. Now connect USB-C cable to your USB-C port and USB-A cable to your device with USB-A port. I'm going to connect it with a PC. And now we need to again check the LED light, and we have it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.